Right, we've got this lovely Mercedes GLS to show you here. It's the GLS450d 4Matic. They're a mild hybrid, 3 litre, turbo diesel, supercar this one. It was registered 29th of March 2024, so not very old, and it's only done 3,400 miles and it is unmarked. It's like a new car. It's the AMG line Premium Plus, so it's got all the right bits on this one. Panoramic sunroof, heads-up display, Burmester sound system, 7-seater of course with the electric folding rear seats. I'm just going to give you a nice walk round video. If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. There we've listed the specification, photos, all the information about us. Right, we're going to start here at the back, show you the wheels for a start. These are 22-inch grey and diamond cut. Of course, all the tyres and things, 3,400 miles, everything is as it should be. 2 keys, 1 owner, and it's VAT qualifying, so the price includes VAT, which could be reclaimable through your company. Have a word with your accountant on that. Bodywork on this, by the way, is super. It's just all been detailed, polished, and it's ready to go. Privacy glass, factory privacy glass, side running steps, roof rails, and your tilt and slide panoramic sunroof, which is electric of course with electric sun blind. The new style grille with the cameras. Go across the front, I can't see any stone chips at all, it's lovely. We've got all the handbooks, the locking wheel bolts, the full factory specification, and it was £108,000 new. And what a super vehicle to drive. Right, I'll open the tailgate and show you in the back. So we've got the seats in the upright position. We've got all the buttons here on the side for lowering the suspension of the vehicle and lowering the seats. So everything's done electrically. It's still got the blue tape on the kick panels here. Underneath is the rear roller shelf, the warning triangle, and the pump kit, like new in there. Just stand back, give you a side view, then I'll show you the interior. The rear seats are heated, 3-position. The lovely Burmester sound system, fully electric rear seats. Got this matte grained wood effect on the door panels and dashboard. Illuminated kick strips, AMG over carpet mats, black leather with Isofix fittings on the 2 outer seats. Like new in there. Got door closers. There we go, soft close. Now the front seats were heated and we've got 3-position cooling. Both sides with memory. Again, same again, kick strips illuminated, black leather with white stitching. The mileage is 3,406. Flappy paddle gear change. All the buttons there on the steering wheel for the cruise. The heads-up display on your windscreen. Just superb. So there we are, lovely saving on new, looks like new, manufacturer's warranty remaining. You have 3 years on these from date of registration, which was 29th of March 2024. Any questions? If you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, if you can ask for Toby on this one, 0750 1730. If you'd like a finance quotation or a PCP, or you just like to buy the car, give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.